Hi, I can help you prepare and deliver a successful conference talk. I'm Peter Baker from Voice Power Coach on school.com. Maybe you've been asked to speak at work or at an industry event and you're worried about freezing up or boring the audience. Don't panic. With the right preparation, you can shine. Tip 1, structure your talk like a story. People remember stories. People remember anecdotes, not lists of facts. For example, instead of, "Here are 5 things our company did," say, "Let me tell you the journey we went on, the challenges we faced, and the lessons we learned." People will listen to that. Tip 2, practice out loud, not just in your head. Speaking the words helps you smooth out clunky phrases, and you can control the timing. Stand in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone. You'll hear where you need to slow down or add energy at any part. Tip 3, use your body to connect with the audience. Stand tall, make eye contact, and gesture naturally to reinforce your points. For example, when describing growth, move your hands upward. When explaining a barrier, hold your palms flat like you're pushing against something. Tip 4, control your nerves with breathing. A deep, steady breath before you step on stage calms you and steadies your voice. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold it, then exhale fully, then smile before speaking. Quick recap, structure your talk like a story. Practice out loud, use body language, and control your nerves with breathing. Do that, and you'll deliver a confident, memorable talk. Would you like to improve your voice and communication skills? Join me in the Voice Power Coach community on the School platform for access to many valuable video-based courses, including our famous 30 Days to a More Confident Voice course that has helped many thousands of people around the world improve their voice resonance, clarity, and depth. Hit the link and improve your voice.